And I think one of the things that we run into in the legal system is so much mail. Can we talk about the notices that have to go out and the ability to waive some of those formal notices? Because I think that's a misnomer of like in 2025, 2026, no one gets mail, but the court still loves to send stuff through the postal service.
Yeah, the court loves the pony mail. So all along the process of probate, like there's the three phases that we talked about. There's typically notice requirements at each phase of probate, and we're required to send these notices to specified people. At the beginning, we are typically sending notices to all the heirs that would be entitled to these things if there's not a will, or if there is a will, we still have to send it out to everybody who would be entitled to it. But as we go along the way, we have to send these certified mail notices and either satisfy service by the mail being delivered, or we have to get it waived by the person. And they just basically say, I don't need the notice. You're telling me about it. That's good enough.
Okay. And when do people get paid? Like, this is like everyone's like, I have an inheritance, I want it, I have plans for it. When in the process do those distributions go out?
Yeah. So typically we wait until the very end of probate for everybody to get paid out. There's instances where the fiduciary could be paid, like reimbursed for things before the final accounting is approved. But typically, for all beneficiaries and the fiduciary, we wait until the very end for the court approval.
And do you set up a separate bank account so that it's like all clear? Does it run through an attorney trust? Like, how are funds moved? So the decedent has money at a bank, but they can't stay there forever. Kind of walk me through that process.
Yeah, so since an estate is considered separate from the deceased individual, we do have to set up an estate bank account. And we do so by establishing a separate employee identification number through the IRS. So they are considered separate. But once we have that set up, we're able to take those personal funds from the deceased and we go and put it into the estate account so that the estate can manage it and the fiduciary can access it.